Let's cover inventory ingest with the FlexNet agents. The agents are typically utilized in two different modes. One is the full installation of the package on a device, and one is more of a command line interface, which is useful if you're going to package it up, distribute it to your devices, have it run inventory, collect that data. Don't leave the agent installed on the device and then bring that inventory data back to the beacon. The differences are in the fully installed agent, you can collect usage data where you don't have that in the command line. So when you install the agent, it comes with the agent itself, a schedule, a policy agent, a original policy statement, uploading agent, the application usage agent, and the VDI endpoint agent. So to get the agent, you would go to data collection, IT visibility inventory task, installers, and then you'll see the agent installer. There you would pick your platform and then the latest version presumably, and then download the agent. You can also configure the policy for the agent from data collection, IT visibility inventory tasks, agent collection if you want to change what is being collected from the agent. The Bible for collecting inventory from the agent is the Gathering FlexNet Inventory document. Here's the document itself. The link is in the lab manual and in the deck, or you can just search docs.flexera.com for the Gathering FlexNet Inventory, and you can open up the FlexNet Inventory agent, and it'll give you the details for agent configuration, the zero footprint, command lines for ND track, the actual executable that collects the inventory, and all the switches that you could turn on and off so that you can configure your scans. Besides configuring the agent, you can also see what operating systems are supported, either to drop down in the IT visibility menus or just look at it at docs.flexera.com. So here's what the agent operating systems that are supported, a variety of Windows versions, variety of non-Windows versions, different browsers, and now on to the lab. So we're going to collect inventory from our workstation and from our beacon in subsequent recordings.